If you're tired of feeling tired, constantly dragging yourself through the day like a zombie, then stick around because I'm about to share the secret to reclaiming the energy and vitality you had in your 20s. And no, it's not just about drinking more coffee or getting more sleep. There's something much deeper going on, and today I'll show you how to fix it. Hey there everyone, Dr. Josh Bletzinger here, certified functional medicine practitioner and former hockey player turned health and performance accelerator. I've spent the last 20 years helping guys escape the dreaded clutches of low energy, muscle loss, and brain fog. And today, we're going to talk about something that's probably been dragging you down for years without you even realizing it. It's called male andropause and low testosterone. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's the deal. Feeling tired isn't just normal aging. It's your body waving a big red flag saying, hey, something's off here. If you've been chalking up your low energy, fatigue, or even constant brain fog to getting older, it's time to think again. The truth is, what you're dealing with might just be the silent energy thief known as low testosterone, or as some call it, the adverse effects of male andropause. Let me tell you about Mike and Steve, two guys who were in your shoes not too long ago. Mike was constantly exhausted. No matter how much he slept, he woke up like he hadn't rested at all. And then there was Steve, sharp as a tack in his younger days, but lately he couldn't remember simple things like where he put his keys or what he was supposed to do next. Both of them felt like they were losing control over their lives, and it was killing their confidence. But here's the kicker. After working together, addressing their low testosterone and root metabolic changes, these guys turned it around completely. Mike's now waking up with the energy to crush his workday and still have the stamina to enjoy his time with his family. Steve, he's got the mental clarity back and feels like he's finally in control again. These aren't isolated cases. They're results of targeted natural interventions that work. So what's really going on? When your testosterone levels drop, so does your energy, motivation, and mental sharpness. It's like trying to drive a car with a dying battery. It's just not going to get you where you want to go. But here's the good news. Low testosterone isn't something you just have to live with. There are natural functional medicine strategies that can help you boost your testosterone levels and restore drive that you've been missing. Now, if this sounds like you, I've got something that's going to help you take back control. It's my free ebook called Unlock Your Midlife Edge. Just click the link in the description below to download it. But don't stop there. If you're serious about getting your energy back, you need a plan. That's why I've created my initial functional health strategy assessment. This is more than just a quick consultation. It's a deep dive into your health where we'll uncover the root causes of your symptoms and create a personalized action plan. I'll even provide you with a full report through a recorded video review that you can check out on your own time. And if you're ready to take your mental performance to the next level, you'll want to stick around for my next video, From Mental Fog to Limitless, where I show you how to supercharge your brain power. Think of it as your personal limitless pill minus the Hollywood special effects. So if you're tired of being tired, take action today. Download the free ebook, consider the functional health strategy assessment, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more game-changing content. Remember, the journey back to vitality starts with a single step. Make yours count.